Hey everybody, Scott Davis from the Morning Breach here. Wanted to talk to you real quick today about some tips and tricks on protecting your Zoom meetings. First and foremost, never share your link with anybody that you don't want to join the meeting. That really should be a no-brainer. You should send emails of the content of the meeting ID to the people that you want it to and really avoid it going out to other people. A great way to do that is don't take screenshots of the meetings and post them to social media. Believe it or not, there could be little clues in those screenshots that could lead someone to connecting to your meeting. Next, as people are connecting to it, enable the waiting room. It's going to prevent people from logging in before you, but it also allows you to control when people are going to, join it as you're in there and you may be having a conversation you don't want so and so to hear. Next, you want to disable a couple of functionalities, especially if you're giving lectures. You're going to want to mute all the attendees and mute on entry as well. You're going to want to disable screen sharing. The last thing you want is for someone to come in and as you're talking, they start screen sharing and a PowerPoint or inappropriate pictures pop up. Also, disable the chat room. If it's not needed, disable the chat. The last thing you need is a distraction for your students or whoever is, coming into your Zoom meeting. If it's not needed, just block it, just disable it. And, finally, the last tip that I have for you today is once everyone's logged into your meeting, you have the capability of locking the meeting so nobody else can sign into that meeting. So those are kind of my quick tips on how to use Zoom securely. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me, themorningbreach.com, or like, share the video, and comment. Thanks for watching.